In 1097, for the first time in Kyivan Rus, a Congress of all Rus princes was held. It took place in Liubech, near Kyiv. The princes decided to unite in order to fight against the Polovtsians. Why are we destroying the Rus land by stirring up enmity among ourselves? The Polovtsians are ravaging our land and rejoicing that the strife between us still continues. From now on, let us be of one mind and defend the Rus land together. Here, they decided which domain belonged to whom. The princes unanimously confirmed Svyatopolk as the Grand Prince of Kyiv. Monomac was given the lands of his father, Pereyaslav, Smolensk, Rostov, Suzdal, and Belozero. Ola, David, and Yaroslav Svyatoslavich received Chernihiv, Ryazan, and Mura. David Irvik was given Volodymyr Volynskyi. Volodymyr, Rurik, and Vasylko Rostislavich kept Peremyshal and Terebovl. They sealed the agreement with an oath on the cross. But that peace did not last long. The princes had barely returned from Liubech to their own lands when a new conflict broke out. It was started by David, the prince of Volodymyr Volynskyi. On his way home, he stopped in Kyiv and told Grand Prince Svyatopolk that Monomac and Vasylko Rostislavich, the prince of Terebovl, wanted to seize the Kyivan throne. Svyatopolk believed this tale and began summoning Vasylko to him. On his way back from the council, he spent the night at a monastery near Kyiv. He really didn't want to go to the Grand Prince. He was afraid that a war was breaking out in his domain without him. But Svyatopolk insisted on his own way. When Vasylko was entering Kyiv, he was warned about the plot. He didn't believe it. Not long ago, they had kissed the cross, saying that if anyone went against another, the cross and all of us would be against him. And so he entered the city. Svyatopolk welcomed his guest, led him to the house, and left him alone with David. Vasylko started talking to him, but David neither spoke nor listened, as he was gripped by fear and harbored treachery in his heart. After sitting for a while, he left. At this signal, the guards entered, shackled Vasylko in double chains, and set a watch over him. The next day, having gathered the boyars and the citizens of Kyiv, Svyatopolk told them what he had heard from David. The people replied, "Prince, you must protect your own life. If David is telling the truth, Vasylko must be punished. But if David has lied, he will answer before God." The captured Prince Vasylko was taken to Zvinihorod. There, David's servants blinded him.